I'm not a polar bear rider. I don't play lacrosse in the summer, and I don't live in a log cabin or an igloo.
I'm probably not going to grow up to be a dog sledder. I don't stick my pinky out when I drink tea.
I do not speak French, although Miss Young is trying to teach me. I don't play lacrosse in the summer, but that doesn't make me less Canadian. Unlike Americans, I like ketchup chips.
We eat Timbits, not donut holes. We have provinces and territories, not states.
We call it pop and not soda.
And I eat ice cream in April while it's snowing. So what?
I'll never ingest anything but real maple syrup.
I believe in Terry Fox and Chris Hadfield.
And I spell properly too.
We are a multicultural nation, so that means everyone is welcome.
I was born in Dubai.
My parents are from China, but I am born here.
I'm still Canadian, even though I celebrate different holidays and eat different foods.
My family are from different places and speak different languages.
And my mom's from London, Ontario.
My background may not be Canadian, but I'm proud to be a Canadian citizen. I speak Korean, English, and a little bit of French.
I speak English, Romanian, and a little bit of French and Chinese.
Anglais, un petit en français. Naya Kanata, that means I am Canadian in Cree. I live beneath the fiery red maple leaf flag thanks to George Stanley, who designed it in 1965.
I value how open and multicultural we are.
I believe in democracy and I believe in gender equality.
I think it's important that we are all different.
I like to play basketball and Lego.
My people are my friends and family and the cats.
I love toques. I don't have a specific culture, but I guess that's my culture.
I am glad that I have a chance to be in the government without being discriminated.
I feel safe and lucky to live here. I have the right to speak out.
And I have a right to love my country.
You may think we're just hockey-loving, poutine-eating, toque-wearing northerners who love to say a lot.
And we are.
But we're also much more than that.
We are bursting with friendliness. We are nice, kind, and peaceful.
And to really qualify as a Canadian town, you must have a Tim Hortons.
You can thank us for basketball, Superman,
Insulin, and Wayne Gretzky.
We have all 4 seasons, but they don't always happen when they're supposed to.
Lacrosse is our national sport, even though we win lots of gold medals in hockey.
But you don't need to like hockey to fit in here. Canada is the largest democratic country.
I have an opinion and a voice because we are a democracy.
and now we have a 4-party independent system to represent the people.
We are unique because we say sorry too much. Sorry about that.
We are all different, and that's what makes us the same.
My name's Cameron.
James.
Antonio.
Joey.
Miraz.
Agnes.
Kira.
Edmund.
Sonite.
Me.
Indigo.
I'm Peter.
And we are
Canadian.
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 Canadian, eh?
Always fresh.